On this episode of Gladiator Overland, we travel to the Tent Guy in Marietta, Georgia, to have our ExoShield windshield protection film installed, along with our front windows tinted with a windshield tent strip.
Music guy, how you doing?
Well, thank you.
Good.
Being on today. I hate that kind
Me
of
too. We're doing great.
Yeah, so I need to check in my vehicle today.
All
So I
right.
have an appointment, I think.
Do you know what you would like to put on your car today? I can go over all the options and
Yeah,
everything
let's
for you.
talk about some of the different options that you guys have. I know you guys carry 3M products.
We do carry 3M. Yep, you get a lifetime nationwide warranty for all of our work. All the films look great, blocking out 99% of
So if it
the
like comes off the
UV.
vehicle or something like that, I can just bring it back.
Yep, all guaranteed against, and if you move, it follows you through 3M, so it's lifetime and nationwide. So it
Very
follows
cool.
you all over the world. Yep.
We discussed the different tent options they carried from 3M. In the end, we chose to do the 3M ceramic series for our front windows and the windshield strip. To keep it legal, we chose to do 10 at 35%. Make sure you check with your local shop to discuss what the legalities are for your state, as they differ for different locations. It was mentioned that we would be legal in other locations as long as we followed the state regulations where my vehicle was registered. We also chose to have the shop install the ExoShield Ultra Windshield Protection Film Kit. It's a clear protective film made to fit any 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator windshield. The kit is sold as a DIY kit and comes with everything you needed to install the kit. The film gives you protection against impacts that would normally damage or crack your windshield. Even though we did have the Gorilla Glass from the factory, we did run into an issue while on the Dipster Highway in the Arctic. A semi kicked up a large piece of shale and damaged our windshield. Although the Gorilla Glass did prevent the windshield from shattering, which would have been the result if we had had a regular windshield, it did not prevent us from getting damage that ended up cracking all the way across our windshield before we were even able to find a place to repair it. We chose to have this product as an extra layer of protection when out on one of our expeditions to help us preserve our own windshield. If you're interested in this product for your own vehicle, you can use our code VeteranOverland10 to save 10% off your purchase. I have listed the code and link to the purchase to the product below in the video description. They will also have film available for the Jeep JK and the new Ford Bronco coming out soon. The shop entered my vehicle information into their computer to bring up the template for their machine to cut my windshield strip and front windows to the exact size. Here you can see the printer cutting the tent to the exact size on the template for my vehicle. I'm not going to talk you through each step that they take, so just sit back, enjoy some music, and watch them install it. This will give you a good idea of how professionals go ahead and install it. I will give you a hint that no matter what you're going to do to be able to install a tent, make sure that you clean the glass beforehand. And after you clean it, dry it before applying some type of lubricant, like a spray with dish soap and a couple drops of dish soap, to be able to lay the tent upon. You can use a heat gun if needed to help get some of the tent to lay down, or even, as you can see later on the windshield protective film, to go ahead and get it to lay properly, because it's very thick.
Of all the things that are shiny and new, I'm the dull stone at the bottom of a pool, tossed by the jealous waves of the sea. I'm not
take some disabled veterans, so I do overlanding. I'm retired, so I do overlanding, help heal my wounds war. I told her the whole story, but big story behind it, big reason. But in turn, I do that on one side, so that's our Gladiator Overland side, and the other side is where we take veterans out on these same trips, teach them the same skills that I have. We teamed up with another veteran service organization called Mission 22 to help stop 22 veteran suicides a day. That's what we do.
Sure.
Just need to sign
God's
in here.
work. Yes.
Odin's work. Yeah, being in combat, I tend to follow.
The task of applying the ExoShield is made easier by having a professional do the installation. This task can be completed at home with 2 people though. Make sure you watch the installation videos for help. If you're in the Marietta, Georgia area and are looking to have tent installed, give the tent guy a call and let him know we sent you their way. They will offer you 20% off your purchase. Please give us a like, follow, and subscribe to our channel, as well as turning on notifications. It will help to notify you when we post new content. If you are interested in helping to support the Veteran Overland Project, you can visit our web store at veteranoverlandproject.com for the products we use during our expeditions. A portion of each sale will be given to the project to help take wounded post 9/11 veterans out on overlanding trips. We appreciate your support, and if you'd like to do more, feel free to contact us at info@veteranoverlandproject.org.